Millions and millions of people use their phones to browse the web and look for information on Google. Have you ever wondered if you could really make a lot of money online by just using Google to search? This is so easy that I think anyone could do it. This is a brand new secret way to make money online, and all you have to do is search on Google. Sounds pretty cool, doesn't it? But the question is, how is that even possible? Well, don't worry, I'll show you in today's video. I'll show you how to sign up and apply for a free account in just a moment. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know so that you can start making money online right away. So make sure you listen carefully. Hey, welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to earn $2,499 just by using Google search. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. Now, the first thing I want you to do is go to this website, aika.com. Now, I don't think you've heard anyone talk about this before because it's so new and so powerful. Again, I'm not getting paid to share this with you. This is not a sponsored video. I hope that at least a little bit of this video will help you make some extra money online. Now, this website is basically a way to make money online by just using or doing some research and searching. So in this video, I'll show you how to use Google and give you examples of how to search for information on Google and how to make money right on this website. Over 443,000 people have already signed up for this website, and they come from 186 different countries. Over 9 million euros have already been given to people on this website. This is a huge amount of money, and you can get some of it by using the exact method. Again, this site is 100% real. They have done work for some of the biggest online brands. Also, you can download this to your phone, whether you have an Android phone or an iPhone. So the first step is really important. So in this website, aika.com, you can pretty much find a lot of different things you can join. Look up some information in Google and start making money. Okay, for example, you might be able to take part in different projects and earn different amounts of money. Say, for example, that there is a project that gives out 2,500 euros. Someone else could give 8,300 euros, or someone else could give 5,000 euros or 7,500 euros. And I want you to click on the contest button at the top of the page. That will take you to a page where you can join different projects and earn different amounts of money. So I want you to check this out because there are literally hundreds and hundreds of different projects you can join. They update every week and you can find new projects that will pay you a lot of money, like 7,500 or 1,000, 3,250 or 2,500 euros. There are pages and pages of contests and other ways to make money that you can join. So if you want to join a contest that will pay you 2,500 euros, you can just click on the link, which will take you to a page that tells you the name of the project and how much time you have left to finish it. Again, don't worry because there are always new projects and contests coming up. So they'll give you more details and information about the projects and they'll pay you 2,500 euros or whatever the project is worth. So if you want to find another project, you can just look at all other projects the website has to offer. You can also look at all the contests and click on the one you want to join. So most of these projects just ask you a question on any topic and you're going to answer those questions in the most professional way. So basically, you're like writing an essay, but don't worry, this is not really difficult and I'll show you a secret on how to write a professional answer to the questions. So make sure you stick around until the end of the video. So let me give you an example of how to do this right now. So if you scroll down, the first thing you'll see is that you can make an account for free. Now all you have to do is click register, which will take you to a page where you can make an account and start paying right away. You can find out more about the projects and you want to join if you scroll down to the bottom of this page. So just put in your email address and the password you want to use for your account. After you fill out the information, you can read the agreement and privacy policy. Agree to them and make an account. That's a piece of cake, right? Now you're going to start putting up an answer by looking it up on Google and submitting it. From there, you can make money. Hey, before I continue, I want to know if you're interested in having a side hustle like this. Let me know in the comment section below. So now, when you go back to the project, you can find the question or the questions you'll search on Google to find the answer to. So, for example, the question might be how nasal health problems can affect your breathing and show how nasal health products work to fix these problems. Now, you and I aren't experts on this, but you can go to Google and do some simple research. I'll show you how to do this in a moment, and you're going to look for different answers. Then you're going to gather all the information and put it into a simple document. Then you're going to upload that document to this website so you can get paid. Now make sure you don't miss any part of this video and that you keep watching. So the first thing I want you to do is go to Google and search for a very, specific keyword, how nasal health products actually work. That will take you to a page where you can look for some very professional and high authority websites so you can get more information and ideas for how we can answer that question. Now, what I want you to do is open more than one browser. So that will take you to a different website where you can find more information to help you answer that question. You can find a lot of useful information that you can put right into your document and turn into, as an answer. Now, the strategy I'm going to show you today is not to copy-paste answers from other people. That's stealing someone else's work. You can't do that, and you can do that on this website. But what I'm showing you is a way to do research on professional websites so that you can find out more. Do your own research and come up with your own answer that you can submit as your own creative answer. So if you search for articles and find one that has very, very useful paragraph, you can just select the whole paragraph, click copy, then go to the second website, which is aiarticlespinner.co. So when you go to this website, you can copy and paste the paragraph right into the box. The website and software will then automatically help you rewrite the paragraph using special new words. So this software is completely free, so you don't have to pay anything to get it. So once you put in the tags, you can click the rewrite button, and in less than 3 seconds, the program will help you rewrite the paragraph with new words and sentences. So all you have to do is click on the next text to copy the paragraph. So for the last step, go to Google Doc, Microsoft Word, or a notepad on your phone or computer and open a new blank document. What you're going to do is copy and paste the answer into Google Doc. Keep in mind that you have to make up your own sentences, so you can do more research by going to different websites and looking for useful information. You can grab a paragraph or extract some useful information. Again, you'll go back to the article spinner, copy and paste the paragraph into the box, and then click the rewrite button to get a new paragraph. You can then add your own opinion to your document. That's the right way to use Google to do research, by looking at different professional websites and actually getting some ideas. When you send in your answer, you have a chance to win a piece of the big prize. Again, they have new contests and projects every week where you can do some simple research on Google and then make a lot of money online. So now that you know all of this, are you ready to earn more? Comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!